Trying to sleep with regular earbuds, it's like napping on a cactus. Meet Sleap. Earphones that disappear. Seriously. So comfortable.
Wow!
You'll forget you're even wearing them. Zero pressure. Zero protrusion. Fall asleep with music, podcasts, or whatever it is. Built-in app alarm. Disturbances detected. Activating silence. Sleep deeper. Block noise. Dream weirder. Ready for coffee, at least. Track your sleep, crush goals, and wake up like you've actually slept. Rise and shine without the rage part. Even at 30,000 feet, Sleap keeps your world quiet and your sanity intact.